What's up, everybody? Happy Friday to you. Peter doesn't work today. It's been one of those days. Let's stay consistent. The market is down, so we're looking to buy some. Problem is, we're still broke. All right, so we did get pretty close. Looks like 1060. Yeah, we're in the 1060 something or others. Well, if you look here, the market was down 1.5 and 1.5%, and the one we're really focused on was only down 0.5%. Let's take a look at the moving average. It's 1033. We closed above again. Your confirmation. If you look at the high of the day, it was 1056. So we got above our average cost. We could have got out in profits, but we're just let the order take us out. We're good on this one. You can see the MACD is getting ready to cross. Everything's good. It's the end of the quarter, end of the month, and end of the week. So a little week in review. Let's start at the month. That is Trump. The longest time frame is the Trump. You can see we're at a previous resistance level. It couldn't break, and then it broke out. And now we're retesting it. It hit here. You know, is this going to be a dead cat bounce and we go further? Or is it going to bounce? Anybody's guess. We got bad inflation data today. It wasn't the worst, but it was worse than expected. So anything can happen. But this is the one I'm really looking at. And if you go check out the blog, link in the description, you'll see what I was looking at today. And on the weekly, it really looks like a double bottom, but it's just unlikely that it would hit the 200 and then not reverse. You can see every time. I see it went pretty low. And it can maybe start the week and go below too. But what we're really looking for is where does next week close? If it closes back above the 200, that's pretty bullish. But it did close below the 200, so if it closes below that again, that would be confirmation we've been talking about, right? So that's just where I'm seeing the markets, but it doesn't affect the trading strategy at all. We're just keep buying, keep buying. I bought again today. But in our small account here, I'm trying to give you something apples to apples you can look at and maybe learn from. There's nothing going on until Tuesday unless the Smith & Wesson sells on Monday, which it could sell in the after hours. You can see the market's up after hours, so it could sell now, but who knows? Crazy stuff happens in the after hours, especially when you have small position sizes. But keep it nice and short this week. That's what I'm looking at for the weekend. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll be back to battle on Monday.